we are at Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. We are from Earth Celebrity Management, and today we are here to know how much students and teachers are interested to encourage and motivate students to participate in dance, and how much students feel what do they feel about dance. So come, let's get and know, talk to students and talk to their faculties and get to know more about Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. So let's speak to a few of the dancers of this college. We have Priyanka and Damodar with us. Let's speak to them. Priyanka and Damodar, tell me about what's dance means to you.
Dance, I've been doing it since childhood, so it means a lot to me. It's my passion. It's like breathing every day. So
Yeah, for me, dance is my life. I can live anything in my life, but I can't live my dance.
Okay, so which is your style?
my style is Western. Sometimes I do classical also, but most of it is Western.
My style is hip hop.
Hip hop. So how do you manage your studies and dance both together?
My college has been very supportive. So yeah, we study. We almost be here in college till 4:30. So we manage time there, and then when I get back home, so probably the other free times I go to classes, or sometimes I do it on my own. I just put music and I just start dancing. So that's how.
Yeah, whenever I get free time, I'll put my phones and on my music and I'll start dancing. But after when I'm been in class, I'll concentrate on studies, so I can manage both, I think.
That's really nice. So how do you feel when you represent your college?
I feel very proud is because everybody is like, yeah, SVC, and they're just eager to know who comes from SVC, and then it's nice. It's nice to represent college, and then their management has also been very supportive. So they support us in a lot of ways. They send us to different competitions. They let us know that there's competitions and all that. So yeah.
So as you know, BiHUTK is organizing this dance contest. So what do you want to tell? How do you feel about this contest?
I think it's a good platform for a lot of young people to come forward, and a lot of talents to be showcased, and then they can come forward in different fields, because today lot of dancers are encouraged. Everybody wants to study, so it's a good nice platform for the youngsters, and go.
Would you like to tell something about BiHUTK, this contest?
Yeah, I think this is a good platform for every dancers. So many people can't get so many chances for them, so I think it's very nice.
Okay, thank you to join us, and yes, do well, keep dancing. Thank you. We are going to speak to Professor Uday Ravi. So let's see how much he and his college is interested in dance. Hello sir.
Hello.
Good afternoon sir. So tell me how much your college is interested in dance.
How much is very much?
Very much.
Yes.
Okay, so like how you guys motivate or encourage your students?
See, dance is a forum where you express the inner joy, enjoyment, your strength, everything. It's one expressive way where it will release all your stresses and make you concentrate. For everybody, his own way of things is important, and there are many engineering students who are good at dance. So we encourage them in this so that they will also concentrate on their education.
Okay, so you know it's very difficult if it's engineering. It's difficult to manage studies and dance both or other activities together. So how do you balance those things? How do your students balance those things?
No, it is important to balance. We give them certain extra periods, okay, so that they will be able to work out. On Saturdays afternoon, we have kept them fully free, and during the lab hours, whenever they don't have the batch, we give them free time, and we always tell them they can take up extra hours. Okay, that is, if they are interested, we form a group and then allow them to practice outside also, making a special arrangement.
Okay, so we have also organized and promotional activity of Nirja movie here in your college. So how do you feel about that activity?
Yeah, that was wonderful. That was wonderful. And all our students practiced for 2 days, and they sang, they danced. Recently, after that, we had our own cultural event, Kala Vaibhava, wherein our students did wonderfully well. Okay, and we are looking for more such activities, events, wherein our students can show their talent, and we are really looking for it.
Okay, so this time BiHUTK is actually organized this contest. So what do you want to tell about that? How do you feel?
Event, yes, all the best for the event. Our students will be there, Okay, all our support is there for any event. But for engineering student, it is always difficult.
Yes.
Okay, it is difficult. We should know technicality is something different. But when it blends with the art, nothing to beat for such students. It's a very wonderful thing that you are promoting such activities and coming to engineering colleges to encourage students to participate in such activities. So we'll select those who are also good and also can have some academics. We'll take special care to see that their academics is not lost, like giving some extra coaching and ensure that they manage both.
Thank you, sir. Thank you to join us and give a small interview. Thank you so much. So, tell me something about Sunny Leone. Like, which is your favorite movie of Sunny Leone?
Ragini MMS2.
And yours?
Then Janat. Jism. Yeah, Ragini MMS2.
Okay, so what do you think? How it's gonna be weather of Bangalore when she visits?
We expecting around 50 degrees Celsius.
Okay, that's really nice. So tell me something. Like, what would you like to ask Sunny if she is in front of you?
In front of me. I would try to ask like how she maintain a physique.
Okay.
A date if possible. No, no, nothing.
Okay, that's nice. Nice to talk to you guys. So girls, tell me how it's gonna be weather of Bangalore when Sunny is visiting here. Oh my God. Okay, so are you guys looking forward to meet Sunny? Yes. Then let's call once for Sunny. Okay? One shout out together. Sunny. We want to meet you. Thank you guys. Thank you to join us. Nice to talk to you all. Thank you so much.